I procrastinated again. I don't know if I'm really liking this color combination. Remember when I thought I could get this done in 24 hours? I don't have a deadline anymore. I look funny. It's feeling like an arm workout today. Hi, I'm Unnati Srani, and if you've seen my last video, you know I have a little habit of leaving things for the last minute. If you haven't seen it yet, in my last video, I crocheted these adorable heart earmuffs 12 hours before I went on my trip. And today we have a similar situation. It's currently 12:54 a.m. on 31st of May. It's my sister's birthday on the 1st of June, which leaves me under 24 hours to crochet her birthday gift. So the good thing is that I know exactly what I want to make for her. I need to crochet a bucket hat, mainly to redeem myself of this one that I made for her 2 years ago. It didn't even fit over her head, and I've heard all about it. This was back when I was just starting to learn how to crochet, and I feel like it's finally time for me to make one that she can actually wear. So here's the plan. Number one, pick out a pattern that is achievable in 24 hours but is also super cute. Number two, pick out the yarn. Number three, just pray and crochet for the next 24 hours. So, after a few minutes of scrolling on Pinterest, I found the exact hat that I want to crochet. It's the Granny Square hat by ABOC Studios. And if you want to crochet along with me, I'll make sure to link the tutorial in the description below. So I've already decided a combination of these three colors. This is off-white, denim blue, and blue violet. I bought this off of Magic Needles, and the brand is Hobby Store. This is weight 2 yarn, so I'm going to have to double strand in order to follow the tutorial exactly. I am going to start by measuring my head to make sure that there are no mistakes this time. So it's coming up to be somewhere around 22 inches. So I am going to go ahead with size medium. I don't know if I'm really liking this color combination. Okay, I am done with my first granny square. It is currently 2:33 a.m. So it took me almost 1.5 hours to get this done. And I'm not really sure about the color combination on this. I feel like the white is overpowering the other two colors, and I wanted it to be primarily blue in color, which is not coming out. So I'm not really sure if I should continue with this color combo. It was ideally supposed to be 4 and 1/4 inches. It is just 4 inches, but I feel like it's enough. I don't know. We'll see where it takes us. Otherwise, I'll just have to block it to kind of stretch it out. Hello. It is the next day. It is 12:15 p.m. of 31st May, which leaves me with less than 12 hours to get this done. And this is all we have for now. I got confused last night, so I just went off to sleep. And now I am contemplating starting over. I think I am going to try one granny square with just denim blue. So just one single color, and then we'll see what looks good. Okay, checking in at 12:50 p.m. and I have my first single color granny square ready. I like how this is looking, and it took me around 30 minutes to get one done, which gives me the confidence that I might just be able to do this in time. 30 minutes into four granny squares, 2 hours, maybe an hour for the top of the hair, an hour for the brim, which means in about 4 to 6 hours, I should have a full bucket hat ready. Hello, it is currently 4:20 p.m. And I am just getting started with my second granny square. I was baking her birthday cake since the past few hours, so I'll keep you guys updated. It's 5 p.m. and I'm done with two granny squares. It's 9:33 and I'm done with three granny squares. It's 1:13 a.m. and I'm done with my fourth granny square. It is now 1:40 a.m. and I'm done with all five of my squares. Hello, it is 3rd June, 10:30 p.m. right now, so I definitely did not finish it under 24 hours. But my sister leaves for college tomorrow, so I still need to get this done before she leaves. So I'll get you up to date on what I've done till now. I have five of my granny squares here. I also got the crown of the hat done last night on the train, but all of this looks so tiny that I'm scared it's going to turn into a baby hat once again. I can't continue adding rows onto here because then the number of stitches won't match and I won't be able to join them properly. So I have my laptop here and I'm going to sit and research how can I make this bigger than it is. Okay, so it's already 11:20 p.m. and this is what I figured out right now. I have this piece of cardboard lying around and I am going to cut it into 4.5 inches, stretch this out and pin it through the corners. And I'm going to try and block it like that because I don't have that tool that's used to do the same. Hello, today is 5th of June. Remember when I thought I could get this done in 24 hours? I obviously didn't. I feel like this video is just a record of me saying that I'm going to get things done, but then I don't. But here's the update. So, the last time you guys saw me, I was trying to block out these pieces. I was trying to stretch them out, and it took 2 full days to dry down. So, I couldn't crochet yesterday or today. But this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to start by joining all of these pieces together, so at least by tonight I have something that even remotely looks like a hat. I'm done joining the first set of granny squares together. Let me do the rest. I finished joining all the five granny squares, but I'm so sleepy right now, so we'll continue this in the morning. Hello, I'm a little ashamed to admit that it has been 10 days since I last worked on this bucket hat. But in my defense, I don't have a deadline anymore, so I took a break. Once you join all five square into I look funny, but the fact that this goes over my head is a win for me. Now, finally, I'm going to join this with this. And it's all joined together. I still need to work on the brim, so I am going to take a little break and I'm going to finish this later. Hello. It is the next day, but I am so ready to get this over with today. So the pattern calls for some stitch markers for the brim of the hat, but I don't have stitch markers, so I just end up using some of my earrings. So let's get started with the last part of the hat. I am done with the first round of the brim. It's not looking like much, but I don't know why it's feeling like an arm workout today. detailing. I'm just going to weave in all of these ends off camera and I'll show you how it looks.